Welcome. Today, we'll gently burn belly fat, strengthen your muscles, and help your body stay active, balanced, and strong with every Tai Chi movement. Three, two, one, begin. Exercise 1. Shift your weight side to side as your palms gently open and close in front of your chest, improving hip mobility, coordination, and smooth body control. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 2. Keep your hands clasped overhead as you alternate rising onto your toes, strengthening your calves, improving ankle stability, and enhancing posture with smooth, controlled movement. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 3. Raise your clasped hands overhead, then lower them as you lift one knee toward your palms, improving hip flexibility, core control, and coordinated movement. Exercise 4. Gently sway your hips from side to side while alternating one hand overhead and the other below, loosening your lower back and improving pelvic mobility. 3, 2, 1, next. Exercise 5. Shift your weight onto one leg as the other foot taps out to the side, keeping your elbows lifted to improve hip stability and leg control. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 6. Extend your arms to shoulder height, then bring your palms together beneath your lifted knee, alternating sides to improve coordination, core engagement, and single leg balance. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 7. Stand with a wide stance. Sink into a side lunge and open your arms diagonally from your center, reaching high and low to improve chest mobility and side body flexibility. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 8. Step into a long forward stance. Gently arch your upper body and reach one arm overhead while the other extends behind to open your chest and improve spinal mobility. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 9. Press your palms overhead, then lower your arms to shoulder height as you sink into a wide horse stance, strengthening your thighs, improving hip stability, and supporting healthy joint alignment. 3, 2, 1, next. Exercise 10. From a wide horse stance, rotate into a forward lunge while pulling one fist to your waist and driving the other forward, building upper body power and coordinated movement. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 11. Extend your hands forward, then step one foot behind as your arms open wide, alternating sides to improve rotational mobility, balance, and graceful full body coordination. Three, 2, 1. Excellent work today. Every session makes you stronger, steadier, and healthier. Thank you for practicing with me, and I'll see you in the next Tai Chi workout.